What is up, YouTube? It is your boy, Big Rick, and I'm back with Rick Nation Eats. Another sweet sugar dulce dessert edition. Guys, I know you guys are all awake as of today. This is part 3 of the launch from the McCafe of their new dessert item. Part 1 was the blueberry muffin, part 2 was the cinnamon roll, and now part 3 is the apple fritter. Last but not least, hey, Mr. Apple Fritter, I hope you are ready because you have a tough act to follow. No pressure, no pressure.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
Here we go, guys. Mr. Apple Fritter. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Okay, from the start, I see a glazed topping on this. I smell cinnamon. I am very excited to take a bite of this. Now, I'm going to reverse this so you can see the bottom here. I see little chunks of apples. So, here you go. Bite number 1. Okay. Now, cinnamon. I'm getting cinnamon. This is almost like a cinnamon roll. I have not tasted anything that's apple in this here pastry. So, let's go for bite number 2. So, guys, it is almost like a cinnamon roll with apples. I mean, I do not get it, but it's good. I need more apples. More apple. Okay. This is almost like a cinnamon roll, but it has more cinnamon. I do taste apple flavor. I did get a couple of apple chunks. Let's go for another bite here. Let me get this off of here. It is almost like a cinnamon Danish with chunks of apples, but I'm not getting much apples at all, guys. I'm gonna go for one more bite and I will give you my review. More apple chunks there, okay? I think I lied. I want one more bite of this decadence here. Oh, the middle of every dessert pastry is like the best part. Wouldn't you agree? So good. Review time. Okay, guys, this is my review for the apple fritter. Initially, it was like a cinnamon roll, just not as much icing on it, more cinnamon and little apple chunks. This was a tough act for the apple fritter to follow, okay? The blueberry muffin was phenomenal. The cinnamon roll, phenomenal. This, subpar good. With that said, I am going to give the apple fritter out of 5 the score of 3.8 out of 5. The cinnamon roll, the decadence of that one was great. It was dense. The apple fritter was not as dense. So, out of all 3, I will say that the cinnamon roll to me is my number 1. Okay, guys. So, thank you for joining me these past 3 mornings. I appreciate it. With that said, like, comment, share, smash the notification button so you know when I drop another video, okay? Now, until next time, I'll see you in the next video if it's a sweet one. Peace.